All right. We are back, and I have level D fuck up F80 M3 Secure Orange. Yes, caught one of my dream cars. The 540 is officially gone. I got rid of it and traded it in. Got my boy Jock over there. But I traded the car in. Psych, I sold that shit. Nah, but for I did. I sold the car. It actually took a shit on me, and at that point in my life, for some reason, I could not afford to get it fixed. So I could, but I couldn't, in a sense. So, but I actually, you know, ended up getting this not too long ago, and I could not be any more happier. As you can see from the outside right now, the car is lowered. I'm on some coils, BC coils right now. Got a little bit of carbon bits here, you know, carbon side skirts here, little small ones, carbon lip, trunk lip, put the fuser down there, you know. Oh yeah, that's that mid pipe, that acropovic, you know, acropovic sauce, you know what I'm talking about? With the carbon roof. I was actually looking for one of these cars for about like a week, and spec this out. And of course, as you can see, we are manual. And these seats, oh man, crazy spec, crazy spec. I'm never getting rid of this car. Like, when I say ever, never, unless somebody gives me a good offer and I can go ahead and just cop a G80. But I have done some work to this car. I have did a few races in this car. I'm gonna post some clips. You know, right here. But there's some free races, won some, lost some, all that. But I got some work done to this, man. Obviously from the back over here, it's got a little rasp to it. Got acropovic downpipe, BRS mid pipe, and also got some hood work done. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what we got in the hood. Under the hood real quick. We are full bolt on. So I got the BRSF. I said BRSF. I got the BRSF top mount intercooler. Got me a little, you know, Urban Motorsports intake, of course. Sorry for the lighting. I'm using my damn cell phone light. And charge cycle first. So I'm planning for this car. I'll be running about like, I'm thinking trying to build it about like 800 to the wheel. So a little bit of work to do, you know, a little bit of work to do, but I'm back. I'm back. You should see a lot of racing, a lot of cinematic videos, a lot of chilling, a lot of vlogs will be coming. But sorry for the delay. I'm back and better. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to your boy, and we out.